Hey guys, we're back in the shop here. It's taken me a while, but I've been working on the Miata slowly but surely. Got a alternator wire here, so I gotta hook that up. And I've been working on the body harness. I pulled out all of this junk that's for the old engine. And O2 sensors and fan wiring and fuel pump, all that stuff's gonna be run separately. So, been working on this for a few weeks. Got the body harness pulled out and kind of reworked. A little bit cleaner in here. I built this bracket to hold the fuse box inside the car. And all the wiring is going to be tucked inside the fender wells. Drilled these holes here. It's going to come out there, run through the fenders for the headlights. So there will be no wiring at all in the engine bay here on either side, except for this hole back here. That's where the engine harness will come through. But other than that, it should be pretty clean. So just a little update. Been working on the wiring. It's a slow, time-consuming process, but it's getting there. So I'll be back with more. Thanks.